Hey everybody, I'm Robert, the Zombie Bargain Hunter. I just wanted to do a quick little video on how I do my best offers to watchers, and I can show you how you can do the promoted listings real fast too. But first, I found this little guy, and he was really cool. Let me show you what he does.
They're out for Halloween. The costumes are a scream. It sure is fun to see 'em. The kids do trick or treat. Just look at what they're wearing. They're all dressed up for scaring. They're cute beyond comparing. The kids do trick or treat.
Alright, now we had our fun out of the way. Let me go and show you how I do the offers to watchers. And I'll show you the promoted too. Even though I'm still not sold and promoted, I'm still keeping it because I'm having great sales lately, so I don't want to mess up anything. So basically, you go to my eBay and then go to active listings, and then there's a quick filter button down here. I just clicked promoted listings, and there's 54 eligible. Just click on that, select them all. That's what I do. This is the easiest, fastest way. I just put it to 1%, promote, and that's it. You're done. That's the way I promote my listings. I don't know if I'm going to keep them, but what I've seen is they do still do the second listing, even though they say they weren't going to. So as long as they keep doing that, I will keep promoted, and as long as I'm selling, I'll keep promoting. So now let me show you how I do my offers to watchers. Get rid of that. You can see send offers eligible. There's 399. I haven't done it in 2 weeks, so I have a bunch. It'll take a little while because there's so many of them. Yeah, you just click the send offer eligible button and it should pop up soon. Come on. There we go. It'll pop up. It'll show you 200. Well, I have 399, so we'll have to do this a couple times. But this is the way I do it. I just select all. And it will give you some errors, but it's no big deal. Push send offers. You'll see right now. They'll always give you a couple errors. I don't know what eBay does. Make a few mistakes. But come on. We can do it. Something went wrong. Great. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, this is how I normally do it. Come on, eBay, you can do it. Put it through. Do 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 do. Hey, should we hear the song again while we're waiting? Come on. Oh, let's just pause. Okay, I'm back. For some reason, it didn't like me doing 200 at a time, so I just turned it down to results 1 to 100 of the send offers. So this is what I do. Just click send offers. It'll take a few seconds. Finally. Come on, eBay, get your stuff together. And what I do is I just just add your percentage off right here. I'll usually do 10% off. Since I'm running a sale, I don't want to give them just too much off, because that'll be 20% off already. So, and it basically shows you your current price, like $15.29. Your offer will be $13.76. And it shows you can go through you can scroll through all this, and if you want to take any off, you can, but I just say forget it. I just do it. I don't write anything here. Just send offers, and it'll do a few. Like I said, it'll always give you a few errors. It won't do all 100. It never does. Unless they fixed it. Let's see if it does. Let's see. Come on. And it actually did all 100, so that's a first. So maybe they fixed whatever error or whatever was given to us before. Before they would say error, they couldn't do it to this many. But hopefully eBay fixed it. Again, I do 10% off. I'm already in a sale, so people are going to get a great deal right now. Which I don't mind. I don't mind moving some stuff. Come on. But that's basically how I do it. We have now 200 more to go. I'll do the rest off screen. But yeah, that's basically how you can do them so fast and quick, and then you can promote your listings. I only do 1%. I might take them off later. I'm not positive. I'm torn back and forth between the promoted listings. But anyways, don't fiddle fart around. Get your listings up. Subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys.